Imagine a place so vast it could hold all your dreams, Alaska. It's one of the last wild frontiers, where nature rules and the world feels brand new. Here, the air sparkles, and silence is so deep you can hear your own heartbeat. Instead of busy streets, you find mountains, forests, and magnificent animals. Alaska is a living painting, its colors and sounds changing every hour. It's a place that makes you feel small in the best way, reminding us how magical our world can be. Every corner holds a new marvel, shaped by thousands of years of nature's artistry. Let's journey together. No plane or car needed, just imagination. Picture yourself bundled up, boots crunching, breathing in pine and earth. This is a land of rugged power and gentle life, a masterpiece of stone, ice, and green. Alaska promises that wild, free places still exist. Here, every living thing plays its part in a grand, interconnected dance. It's a real-life adventure, bigger and more breathtaking than any story you've heard. So, let's step quietly into this magnificent world. Alaska's landscapes are nature's sculptures carved by time. Towering, snow-capped mountains stand like ancient kings, their valleys deep and mysterious. Dense forests of spruce and birch form green cathedrals, home to countless creatures. Rivers, born from melting snow, rush clear and cold, highways for salmon on their epic journey. The sound of these rivers is nature's song, powerful and alive. Glaciers, ancient rivers of ice, move slowly, shaping mountains and valleys. Their magical blue depths hold the history of the earth. Sometimes they calve with a thunderous crash, telling stories of ages past. Alaska's wild beauty is written in stone, water, and ice. Alaska is alive with a parade of wild animals. Brown bears fish in rushing rivers, wolves move like shadows through the trees, and bald eagles soar above with piercing eyes. Moose wander the forests, their antlers like living sculptures. In the ocean, whales breach and sing, while salmon make their heroic journey home. Every creature, from the smallest fish to the mightiest bear, plays a role in this wild symphony. The animal parade is what makes Alaska so vibrant and full of life. Here, nature's drama unfolds every day, untamed and unforgettable. This is the heartbeat of Alaska. In Alaska, the seasons perform a spectacular dance. Winter arrives with a soft white blanket, quieting the land and sending animals into hibernation or deep sleep. The northern lights paint the sky in green and purple ribbons. Spring awakens the world. Snow melts, rivers crack open, and life bursts forth. Bears emerge hungry, birds return, and green shoots push through the earth. Summer brings endless daylight, the midnight sun, making everything grow in a rush of color and energy. Animals race to eat and raise their young, rivers fill with salmon, and wildflowers blanket the valleys. Autumn sets the land ablaze with gold and red, a signal for animals to prepare for winter. The air turns crisp, days shorten, and the cycle begins anew. Each season brings its own challenges and wonders. Alaska's year is a never-ending story of change and survival. The land and its creatures move in harmony with the turning world. This is the dance of the wild. Alaska offers a rare gift, true solitude with nature. With few people and no big cities, the land is filled with quiet, not emptiness. Here, you notice the small wonders: frost on a leaf, the call of a distant bird, the changing light on a mountain. The air and water are pure, the view's endless. When night falls, the sky explodes with stars, millions of them, the Milky Way stretching overhead. Shooting stars streak across the darkness, connecting you to something vast and ancient. This isolation protects Alaska's magic, letting animals and ecosystems thrive undisturbed. Sometimes the most beautiful thing is a space left wild and free. Alaska is a sanctuary for nature, a world of quiet and stars. Here you can simply be, surrounded by wonder. Survival in Alaska demands cleverness and resilience. The snowshoe hare changes its coat from brown to white, vanishing into the winter landscape. Bears feast all summer, then hibernate, living off stored fat through the long, cold months. Wildflowers race to bloom in the brief summer, soaking up endless daylight. Lichens and mosses survive being frozen solid, waiting for spring's warmth. Beavers build sturdy lodges and store food underwater for winter. Ptarmigans grow feathery snowshoes to walk atop the snow. Every creature, big or small, has its own survival strategy. Alaska's wild teaches us that strength comes from adaptation and preparation. Life here is a masterclass in endurance. In Alaska, everything is connected, a perfect wild family. Salmon are born in rivers, grow in the ocean, then return to lay eggs, feeding bears, eagles, and the forest itself. Trees stabilize riverbanks and cool the water, helping salmon thrive. Bears spread nutrients from salmon into the forest, nourishing the land. Wolves keep moose populations healthy. Insects pollinate wildflowers, and fallen trees become homes for new life. Nothing is wasted. Every living thing plays a vital role. This balance is the strength of the wilderness. Alaska's harmony has evolved over thousands of years. Our job is to admire and protect it, to be respectful visitors. By cherishing these wild places, we help this beautiful family continue its dance. Alaska is a timeless story of life on Earth.